Now we will discuss problems. So using formulas, we can do easily integrate 1 by quadratic or 1 by root quadratic or root quadratic. So here we are taking first example. That example is integration of dx divided by 3x square plus 6x minus 7. So this we want to integrate. So what we will do, first thing from denominator we will take 3 common. So if I take 3 common, what will come? Dx. Here if I take 3 common, what will come? X square plus 2x minus 7 divided by 3. Now what you will do, x square plus 2x you will make perfect square. So this one we can make perfect square. So 1 by 3 is outside. Integration of dx divided by x square plus 2x we can write as what? X plus 1 whole square minus 1 minus 7 by 3. If you make x square plus 2x perfect square, so this will become x plus 1 whole square minus 1 and minus 7 by 3 as it is. If you expand this one, we will get same things. Okay, so what will come here? 1 by 3 integration of dx divided by x plus 1 whole square minus common, what will come? 1 plus 7 by 3. So this will come out 10 by 3. Now to integrate this one, what you will do? X plus 1 we will assume as t. Okay. Now first what we will find out? Dx. For that what you will do? You will differentiate this one. So if you differentiate this one, what will come? X differentiation is dx, 1 differentiation is 0 and t differentiation what will come? dt. So this integration will become what? 1 by 3 integration. Instead of dx what we can write? dt divided by x plus 1 we can add what? t. So what will come here? t square. And this is what? Minus 10 by 3. So minus this 10 by 3 we can write as what? Root over 10 by 3 whole square. So here we can apply formula. Which formula we will apply? Integration of dx divided by x square minus a square. So what is this formula? This will come out 1 by 2a ln modulus of x minus a divided by x plus a. So this formula we will apply here. So this will come out 1 by 3 is outside, 1 by 2, a is what? Root over 10 by 3. If you compare this one, we will get a value. So a value is what? Root over 10 by 3. So 1 by root over 10 by 3 ln modulus of t minus a. A is what? Root over 10 by 3 divided by t plus root over 10 by 3. This will. Okay. Now what you will do? We will put values of t. So t is what? X plus 1. So if you put x plus 1 here, so what will come here? 1 by 2. Here what will come? This is what? 3 and this is what? Root 3. So what will come here? Root 3 into root 10 ln modulus of t value if you put here, so t is what? X plus 1. So what will come? X plus 1 minus root 10 divided by 3 divided by x plus 1 plus root 10 divided by 3. If you want, you can simplify further. Otherwise, you have to add here plus c because we are doing here indefinite integration. So at the last, what you will do? You will add plus c. C is what? Constant.
Next we are discussing integration of 1 by root quadratic. For that we are taking example integration of dx divided by root over x square plus 4x plus 11. And second is what? Integration of dx divided by root over x square plus 4x minus 7. Okay, so first we are doing this one. So we are doing 1 by root over quadratic. So first thing what you will do, we will make coefficient of x square 1. So if we check here already x square coefficient is what? 1. Okay, so no need to do anything. Next step what you will do, x square plus 4x will make perfect square. So what you will do, integration of dx divided by root over, if you make this one perfect square, what will come? X plus 2 whole square minus 4 plus 11. This will come. So this will come out integration of dx divided by root over x plus 2 whole square minus 4 plus 11 is what? Plus 7. This will come. Now here what you will do, x plus 2, we will take t. So first we will find out dx. So for that what you will do, you will differentiate this one. So x differentiate what? Dx, 2 differentiation 0, and t differentiate what? Dt. So this will come what? Root over, instead of dx we can write dt divided by root over, instead of x plus 2 what you can write? T. So what will come? T square plus 7 we can write what? Root 7 whole square. Now here we will apply formula. We know that integration of dx divided by root over x square plus a square. This one integration is what? Ln modulus of x plus root over x square plus a square plus c. So this formula we will apply here. So this will come what? Here instead of t what? Instead of x what we have? T. And a is what? Root 7. So this will come what? Ln modulus of t plus root over t square plus root 7 square, we can write 7 only. So this will come what? Ln. Now if you put t value here, so t is what? X plus 2. So this will come what? X plus 2 plus root over x plus 2 whole square plus 7 modulus, and we have to add constant. So plus constant. This is your answer. Similarly, this problem we have to solve. So here also x square coefficient is what? 1. So next step is what? We have to make this one perfect square. So this will come out integration of dx divided by root over x plus 2 whole square minus 4, and this is what? Minus 7. This will come. So this will come out integration of dx divided by root over x plus 2 whole square minus 11. Now here again x plus 2 we will take t. Okay, so we will find out dx. So we will differentiate this one. So x differentiate dx, 2 differentiate 0, t differentiate dt. So this integration will become what? Integration of dt divided by root over t square minus, instead of 11 we can write what? Root 11 whole square. And we know the integration of dx divided by root over x square minus a square. So this one integration is nothing but what? Ln modulus of x plus root over x square minus a square plus c. So here instead of x what you will put? T, and a is what? Root 11. So if you apply this formula, so what will come here? Ln modulus of t plus root over t square minus root 11 is what? 11. So if you put t value, what will come? Ln t value is what? X plus 2. So x plus 2 plus root over x plus 2 whole square minus 11 modulus close plus constant. This is your answer. Next problem is integration of dx divided by root over 8x minus x square. So this problem we have to solve. So first what you will do, we will make x square coefficient 1. Here we have minus 1. So here what we will do, we will take minus 1 common. So what will come here? Integration of dx divided by root over, if I take minus 1 common, so minus 1 is common, this will come out minus 8x plus x square. So first we did x square coefficient 1. Now what you will do, now we will make this one as perfect square. So what will come here? Integration of dx divided by root over minus 1 outside. If you make this one perfect square, so what will come here? This will come out x minus 4 whole square minus 4 square. This will come. So this will come out integration of dx divided by root over, if I take minus 1 inside, so what will come here? Minus of x minus 4 whole square plus 4 square. So this one we can write what? Integration of dx divided by root over 4 square minus x minus 4 whole square. This will come. Now what you will do? X minus 4, we will take t. Now first we will find out dx. So you have to differentiate this one. So what will come here? X differentiation dx For differentiation 0 and t differentiation dt. So this one we can write as what? Dx we can write dt divided by root over 4 square minus x minus 4 whole square. So x minus 4 we can write as what? T. So this will come out t square. For this integration we know the formula. Integration of dx divided by root over a square minus x square is nothing but what? Sine inverse x by a plus c. This formula we will apply here. So this integration we can write as what? Sine inverse t divided by a is what? 4. So t divided by 4 plus c. Now t value we will put here. So t is what? X minus 4. So this will come what? Sine inverse x minus 4 divided by 4 plus c. This is your answer.